Hello. Connecting. It's still connecting. Okay. Mola. Hello, Mola. Welcome.
Hi, yeah.
So, what do you do?
Currently, I'm looking for a job.
Okay, good. Then it's the right place for you.
Hope so.
Like learning to use LinkedIn. Yeah,
Yeah,
I will show you few tricks, like how to get email addresses of people living in particular location, particular company. I will show you few tricks, and you can use
yeah,
mail.
sure. Thank
Yeah, and you can use mail merge tools, and you can send them outreach emails.
you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, Priya. Hello, still connecting, I guess. Welcome, Priya. No response. Yeah, it's connecting. So, Imran, shall we start?
I think yes, it's time. Are there any more people who will
I
be
guess.
joining?
I guess one more is trying to connect. Man.
Let's wait for another 2 minutes, and we can start by 7:10.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Hello, Nayan.
Hello.
Okay, should we start? Just write start in the chat. I will be starting it. Are you people there?
Um, Yes, you can start. If someone is joining, they will join and they will continue.
Okay, okay, sure. So, are you guys excited? I don't know about you people, but I am excited very much and bit nervous also. Okay, so just a minute. So, so welcome to LinkedIn and Personal Branding Acceleration class. It is given by me. My name is Shailendra Singh Bais. So before actually starting the class, I want I want to introduce myself. Even you may be wanting to know what I am up to. I started a tech blog in 2011, and still I am working on that domain. I did blogging. I was a blogger. Then I hired few .NET developers and developed a few applications. Then I worked at a digital marketing agency called Rakesh Tech Solutions. Then I even worked at an SaaS product company. Now I'm working at Pixel Track, a digital marketing agency itself. Then let's know about LinkedIn. What is LinkedIn? Like LinkedIn is a social media, but even Facebook is a social media, but LinkedIn is a professional social media for networking. Like Facebook isn't that professional, but LinkedIn is very much professional social media for networking. Founded by Reid Hoffman in 2003. Earlier, we required a company email to register LinkedIn, but nowadays it's not the case. LinkedIn was acquired by Microsoft in 2016 for $2.26.2 billion. As of February 2021, it has 740 million registered members across 150 countries. Just guess how big it is. How to master LinkedIn? Like many people tell me they feel LinkedIn is. Yeah, sorry. I was unmuted myself. Muted myself. Learning any social network, there is a trick. You should search in Google social network tutorial followed by file type. File type, you can choose PDF. Similarly, LinkedIn tutorial file type PDF will give you a tutorial in PDF. Read the tutorial thoroughly and understand. Visit each link and explore. Try all options until you become perfect. Now, coming to personal branding. What is personal branding? It's an ongoing process of developing and maintaining a reputation of individual or organization. It is how you promote yourself or your brand. It is building a brand, building an online brand, maybe your individual brand or brand of an organization. It is the process of marketing people and their careers as brands. It is telling your story and how you want your followers to see you or assume. If you want to see your followers in particular way, you can do that by personal branding. Now, personal branding strategy. How should a personal branding strategy should be? What is a personal branding strategy? It is a plan to take your reputation and career from relative obscurity to high visibility. Obscurity meaning unknown. It describes where you stand today and what level of visibility you want to achieve in the future. Here we talk about strategy and not tips and tricks. Tricks are temporary, strategy is permanent. I can give like everyone. I can give you LinkedIn tips and tricks, but those are all temporary. But strategy is permanent. What should be the mindset for personal branding? You should have focus. You should be consistent. That's very important, and you should be genuine. If someone asks me some question and if I don't know means don't know. I can't give wrong answers. I should be genuine online. You should, another mindset is create a positive impact and be ready to fail. If you fail, you will learn more. You will get further in your life. Follow a successful example. You should follow someone intelligently, not following blindly. Let others tell your story, leave a legacy. Steps to personal branding. What are the steps to personal branding? Choose a channel, in our case LinkedIn. Decide or prepare message to post. The message the message should be decided before posting. It should be decided before posting. You can't suddenly make a message to post. Give your message to the outside world. Mix fun gimmick to put the message across. You can add the fun element in steps to personal branding. Practice storytelling. Share your origin story. Storytelling is an art of engaging the customers. Like today, I may tell some story, not story that defines myself and my business. Tools to personal branding: writing a book, public speaking engagements, even webinars, a blog platform. Commonly people use WordPress, building an email list, ranking on first page of SERP with SEO. Like SERP means when you search something on Google, the results are displayed on SERP page. The more you do SEO, you will come on the top of the SERP page, and this way you can get more traffic to your website, and thus it helps in your personal branding. Yes. So in short, SEO is a tool for personal branding. What is target audience? A target audience is a group of people identified as being likely customers of a business, a group of people who should see your ad campaigns. Target audience or TG may be dictated by age, gender, income, location, interest, or a myriad of other factors. You select your target audience based on your purpose of LinkedIn. See, you can't post anything. When you post something, you can't post to the whole world. You should have a target audience, and this target audience changes with your purpose on LinkedIn. When why you choose your why you use LinkedIn. Why you use LinkedIn defines your target audience. I may be searching and applying job for getting clients for your freelancing business. Yes, LinkedIn is a tool for getting clients for freelancing business, for building a personal brand. Based on your purpose of using LinkedIn, your target audience changes. Thus, you decide to accept or not to accept invite. Optimize your profile with SEO. Like these are the steps very important to optimize your profile with SEO. Like you should fill each and every profile details as much as possible. Repeat your key skills. This is important. Repeat your key skills in headline, about section, experience and skills section, skills and endorsement sections. Take full advantage of featured sections with posts, articles, links, and media. You can in featured section you can showcase posts, articles, links, and media. Don't forget to add your name pronunciation. It will give you an international exposure. See, you may not understand these things, but I will send you the file immediately. You can read and understand it even better. When you search for tutorial of LinkedIn, you will understand everything very detail to be shown practically. Searching recruiters company wise with advanced search, how to apply and post jobs, how to run LinkedIn ads like a pro. I will be showing things practically now. Are you getting me? Just write in the chat. Yeah, sure. Done. Thank you. So the three things which I am going to show you people is searching recruiters company wise with advanced search. Suppose I want to search digital marketing manager. This is just a case. I'm searching digital marketing working at just I want digital marketing managers working at Hyderabad in Google. So how can I search? Yeah, it's loading. Until then, I will show you a few things. You can apply, you can post LinkedIn jobs. When you go here in the work section, you can post a job at your organization. You can post a free job, job for an opening at LinkedIn. I will show you one more thing. Like if you are going for a new job, if you are going for a new job, you can search the salary, estimated salary with location. Like I may be Java developer. I may be looking for Java developer at Hyderabad. This tool will Hyderabad, Telangana, India. This tool will give an estimate of the no search found. Yeah, okay. I will searching digital marketing specialist. It won't be that exact, but it will give a approximate value. It says 30,000 per month. This way you can search the salary and you can apply for LinkedIn. You can post LinkedIn jobs. I'll show you the search feature. Yeah, let me reload. Digital. It's not loading. It's not getting loaded. This is over. One more thing. There is a plugin. There is a website called getprospect.com, and this is for that girl. What was her name? Mola, I guess. I told her there is a website called getprospect.com. You should sign this website. You should sign up this website with branded email like at google.com, that kind of an email. When you sign this website, you get a Chrome plugin, and when you search for digital marketing manager, you can choose those email addresses. I got some 74 email addresses of digital marketing managers working at Hyderabad. You can use this. You can use these email addresses. See, they will show even valid email addresses. All these green are valid email addresses. Now you can send what you call outreach emails for job purposes to these email addresses, and you get you may get and reply. See, yeah. Now the search purpose, that's over. Now the search. Yeah, people. I clicked on people, connection, third connection, location. Location, I'm selecting, say, Mumbai. No, I'm selecting Greater Delhi. Okay. Company, HCL, ICICI Bank, Amazon. Amazon, there will be a digital marketing manager. This way you can filter and you can get email addresses in Get Prospect, and you can send outreach emails. Just go to Get Prospect website. There will be a video you can play, and where you can easily find out the things. Yeah, that's it. Any questions? Any questions? Am I audible? Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, any
No more
questions?
questions.
If you
No,
have
no.
any questions regarding Get Prospect, I can show you here. This is I signed in. Just you can ask someone and get a branded email. You see, now they have provided an option to sign in with Google also. Just I will show you.
Okay.
See, you can sign in with Google also. Now it has become very easy. You can sign in with Google, and you can get email addresses of people working at any particular organization or at any location, and you can send using another. There is one tool, AM. I don't remember. Yeah, AM. Using this tool, you can send mail merge. Mail merge means you don't need to send individual emails for those 74 people. You can set something, and you can automatically it will send. You should set the draft, and automatically it will send. Yeah, that's it from my side. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for you.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah, Imran.
Okay, you told us about the Get Prospect app.
Yeah.
And it's quite good. You can find emails from of all the people that you want,
Yeah.
and then you can email them. So my
Yeah.
question is, Google Gmail and Yahoo Mail or any other mail has inbuilt spam filter nowadays. So when I send emails using Yam, in bulk, maybe I'm sending like 10, 15, 20, whatever the
Yeah.
amount. So will my emails end up in the spam filter?
Yeah.
And
See,
if yes,
no.
if yes, then how to
Yeah.
rectify that?
See, there are many tools. There are tools like email marketing tools. When we send through email marketing tools, definitely it will go to spam filter. Like how we get mails from Amazon and Flipkart. When you use mail merging tools like it won't go to spam filter. That's the advantage of using this tool. You got it, Imran?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I got it, and I'm checking the pricing of this app, and they have quite good pricing. They're charging like $20 per year for personal usage and $40 per year for
No.
professional and
Yeah.
workspace usage, and that's quite.
No, it's free for you. Haven't seen, I guess. It's free up to 50 participants per day. You can send 50 emails per day per
Yes,
user.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. I have seen that. I've seen that, but I was looking at the premium ones because
Yeah. Yeah.
it's up to 400 emails per day, and then the professional one you can set up to 1500 emails per day.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, it looks like a good tool. Maybe I'll use it. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So shall I end the meeting?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
I
before
don't have
ending,
any
I would
more
like to
questions.
say that,
I'm not getting you, Mansi.
yeah, uh, this I just wanted to say that your webinar on LinkedIn and personal branding acceleration was very helpful. It was very
Thank you.
knowledgeable, and I hope it will be useful for every one of us.
Yeah, this even I will be uploading the video on YouTube. If you are signed into Zoom, I will send you an email also with the link. Thank you, Mansi.
Okay. I'll be surely interested in it.
Yeah. Shall I end the meeting? Any more questions? Imran. Yeah. Maula want to say something. Guys, shall I end the meeting? At least write yes or no in chat.
No more questions. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you,
no more
everyone.
questions. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank